Introducing the Toyota IronPeak 6x6. Built to conquer the toughest terrain, its electric power illuminates the way.
The active suspension allows these massive wheels to maintain constant contact, even over the most challenging rocky terrain.
With a simple swipe, the system renders a hyper-realistic 3D view. It even integrates real-time data when he taps the holographic overlay.
This Rolling Wheels Toyota 6x6 redefines exploration. With the innovative illuminated frunk, there's secure storage right up front for all your essential gear. The 2026 IronPeak redefines the engine bay. We have ample illuminated storage space and these clearly marked
Massive orange springs. With all 6 wheels engaged, this thing just crawls right over anything.
And the best part about this setup is the solar array. We have all the power we need for extended trips off the grid. As you can see, the 2026 IronPeak is truly revolutionary. Here in the frunk, we have direct access to the next.
This is the future of off-road mobility. The new Toyota IronPeak 6x6. Fully electric, relentlessly capable.
How cool is this? The induction cooktop slides right out.
The hidden induction cooktop glides out effortlessly, giving you a full premium cooking surface exactly when you need it. Hub. We're running a full Victron system with lithium batteries for reliable power. As you can see, the wiring is incredibly organized. The induction cooktop slides right out of the way, making room for this adjustable swivel table. It's perfect for working on the go.
Access to the roof deck is straightforward via the integrated ladder, providing an unparalleled vantage point.
Check out these massive matte black metal skid plates. They protect the electric motors and chassis, and they've already collected some dust and rock particles. On the new 2026 IronPeak, this integrated digital valve allows for precise PSI adjustments right from the cabin controls.
So whether I'm cooking on the induction stove here or running the AC, all I have to do is hit the off-grid master switch.
IronPeak, and this digital air valve system lets us adjust pressure instantly for this rugged terrain. We designed this retractable shower screen. It pulls across smoothly and secures right here, giving you a full wet bath enclosure.
We can monitor the 2026 IronPeak's battery voltage and incoming solar wattage in real time.
And when the adventure's over,